In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate music composition with Google Sheets, ElevenLabs, and Google Drive. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow you can run on demand and later adapt to your own schedule. We begin with a manual trigger node labeled When Clicking Execute Workflow. This lets you start processing only when you're ready, which is perfect while you're testing. If you eventually want it to run hands-free, you can swap this trigger for a scheduler or a webhook without changing the rest of the pipeline. Next, the Get Tracks node pulls every music track listed in your Google Sheet. It reads the key fields, title, prompt, and duration, so each row becomes a set of instructions. Because we read the entire sheet, the workflow stays dynamic and can handle one track or dozens in a single run. Make sure duration is stored in milliseconds to match the composer's expectations. To handle multiple items safely, we pass the data into loop-over items. This node splits the set into manageable batches and sends them through one at a time. That isolation matters. Pushing multiple tracks to ElevenLabs at once can cause errors or rate issues. With the loop in place, each track is guaranteed its own turn. Inside the loop, the Compose Music node sends the prompt and the duration to the ElevenLabs API. Here you can choose the output format, like MP3, and specify the model ID that suits your style. Each track uses its own prompt and length, so you can mix short stingers with longer pieces in the same run. Clear, descriptive prompts generally yield better musical results. When a track is generated, we move it to storage using the Upload Music node for Google Drive. The file name is built dynamically with the current date, giving every file a unique, traceable name. Pick a dedicated folder so your output stays organized and easy to share. Right after the upload, we write the result back to your spreadsheet using the Update Link Tracks node. It matches the correct row via row-to-number and fills in the web link to the newly uploaded MP3. This turns your sheet into a live tracker, so you always know what's been processed and where it lives. Finally, the Wait node introduces a short delay, about a minute, before the loop continues. That pause is your safety buffer against API rate limits and ensures each track has time to complete cleanly. With these pieces connected, click Execute to run your first batch, watch the links populate, and enjoy a fully automated music pipeline.